Where we put this go?
Let's make sure they match, okay, Kingston? We don't want a pink one with a white one.
Oh, Grandma's right.
Aria's holding a pink one. I wonder if that's the one that goes with the one in your box. I think it is.
Here? Oh,
Oh, leave the paper in it.
yuck.
Yuck.
That's a yuck. 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 We don't want to put that in there.
Well, the
Here, you want to
paper's
see if
supposed
those
to be
fit
in
her?
it. Hey, Aria. Purple?
Oh, the purple ones.
Do you want the purple boots? Oh, we don't need those. Grandma already tried those on your toes. I know. Here. This is so much easier when they can actually stand up or help. It'd help if I took the paper out of it.
They would feel better that way.
Like, why isn't our foot coming in here? Oh, boots. Cute little boots. They look like little Uggs. What do you think? No paper in that one. Oh, they're warm. Do you like the black ones, Kingston? Stand up. Boom.
Excuse me.
Can you film me?
Oh, what do you think? How does your sister look in boots?
You can do it, Aria. Stand up.
Ooh.
You're like jelly. Ta-da!
I think yours are too small, Kingston.
Did you put that in your mouth? Kaboom! You think you're in your jumper, don't you? Yay!
Ooh.
You are just a silly girl.
Hi, Aria.
Ta-da!
I need help.
You need help? What do you think of these boots for your sister's winter boots?
Do you like them?
Hmm?